ang ano niya, ang kanyang damit. Sabi niya ipadala daw yung maleta niya na nasa akin. So kapadala yon. Ang kanyang Coke Zero, make sure na merong unlimited supply of Coke Zero. And then he asked for shaving cream, which was free inside. So they just had to teach him where to access the shaving cream. And then the rice, we already solved the rice problem.
Inununan pa. Paano?
I already submitted
A list?
yes, a PDF file of Filipino recipes. I already asked the lawyer to send it inside, and then maybe they can consider cooking the recipes in the list. It was a very simple.
So you're not allowed to bring anything in, no?
No.
All right, okay. That's what we thought.
But they allowed me my credit card so that I can buy him things.
Be careful with the Coke.
Yes, I told him that, but he's 80 years old, and then he's just, I'm 80, I deserve all the,
Question,
all
do you
the
know
diseases.
exemption for the food sa birthday? Walang exemption, PT? Wala siya exemption?
I already asked that from the guards if I can bring
birthday
cake.
niya.
Yes, I can bring cake, but then cake is not allowed for him, so
Yes. Cake zero.
Cake zero. Cake zero. But then I'll ask the lawyer as well because they know more how to talk to the administration than I do. I'm just learning the ropes inside as I go in every day. Yes, so
Quick question about his movement. Is he allowed to go around?
yes, he is allowed, but he doesn't want to. He doesn't want to go around. So, I told him that. Can you just do what the doctor tells you? The doctor is telling you to use your muscles.
Right.
He's not even allowed to do the wheelchair now because
Are
the
there
doctor wants him
therapists or
to.
nurses coming in to help him out?
Yes, there are. Everyone's helping him out inside.
That's good.
But he said that if I go out, I'll go straight to the gates and go out. So, that's what he told me. I told him.
You're not gonna go far then.
I told him to avail of your rights to go outside and walk. And then he said, no, I don't want to do that because I will walk to the gate.
He's not gonna go far.
So yes, that is something that I have to work with him to
Don't
get
worry,
him
baby,
walking
we'll bring him
outside.
home.
Sa mga supporters, ma'am, ano yung message nyo kung anong pwede namin gawin? Like, pretty much all over the world, nandito ngayon Pusa kami pumunta dito to support Duterte.
Yes, yes, I know, and I'm truly very thankful for that, for your expression of support to the president, and for your expression of
Our love.
yes, solidarity, and of your, I don't have the word just now, but I can think of disgust of what happened to him, how he was taken from his country and brought to a foreign jurisdiction against his will. So maybe we continue to let the government know that what they did was wrong. What they did to a former president and a Filipino citizen was wrong. And then we demand that there be some sort of accountability in our country for what happened.
Agree.
So that it doesn't happen again. We cannot really remedy the situation right now. No? Sinasabi ko, hindi naman na natin siya maibabalik doon. But just to make sure that it doesn't happen again, because I heard, and I do not know if it's true, that there are other warrants of arrest coming out for other accused in the
Supporters.
case. So yes, we need to learn from what happened, and we need to make the government understand that they did something wrong.
Ano ang dapat na narrative para sa mga tunay na supporters? Kasi maraming media din na nagbibigay ng kanilang interpretation. For us that truly support Duterte, ano yung pinaka-message sa lahat namin na ano yung talagang tunay na nangyari dito?
Ang tunay na nangyari dito, I already consulted a lawyer, no? Ang tawag doon sa ginawa ay extraordinary rendition. Yun yung pagkuha ng isang citizen sa kanyang bayan at dinala siya sa ibang jurisdiction, in this case the ICC, a foreign jurisdiction or a foreign country, at kinulong. And ang gumawa nun ay ang gobyerno. Sa revised penal code natin, it's kidnapping, pero ang kidnapping ay gumagawa private individuals, di ba, mga kidnap for ransom gangs, ganun. Ang nangyari dito, ang gumawa ay yung gobyerno. At nakikita naman natin na hindi nila dinideny yung ginawa nila, at sinasabi pa nga nila, tama yung ginawa nila. Pero from the perspective of international law, it's all wrong.
Hindi tayo member ng ICC na, di ba?
Yes, we are currently not a member of ICC anymore. So there was no obligation to cooperate. Apart from that, the Philippine government questioned jurisdiction during the appeals. And although it was not taken up, it was not decided, the jurisdiction, but there was a dissenting opinion there by 2 judges that said that yes, there is no jurisdiction at this point in the investigations of the prosecutor. So,
VP, are we waiting until September, or there's a remedy that we're
yes,
going to do?
We're currently working on things for him.
That's good.
Yun lang naman ang ano niya.